Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me is HMD Arc phone. In this video I'm going to show you how to use browser and also how to bookmark websites on this device. So let's get started. Built-in browser on your HMD Arc phone is Chrome, so it has this icon. Let's tap this application to open it, and here at the top you can see address bar. We'll need to use it to type website address or simply type in any basically website that you want to open. For example, I want to search for ChatGPT. I will type using my keyboard ChatGPT, and here from the results I need to tap on result and search for it. Now here you have your results, and you want to tap on the link to open it like this, and here you have your website. Now if you want to bookmark your favorite websites, first of all you need to be on this website. You have to have it opened, and in the top right corner of the screen you can see that you have a three-dot button. You want to tap it, and here this is a star icon that is responsible for bookmarking your website. So let's tap this star icon, and here you can see message saved in mobile bookmarks. So when you've done that and you want to access your bookmarks, you want to simply tap three-dot button once again in the top right corner of the screen, and here you will see section bookmarks. Let's go to my bookmarks, and here you can see different sections. My ChatGPT is in my mobile bookmark, so I will open this folder, and here I can see that I saved here ChatGPT as my bookmark. Okay, and that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more videos, and I will see you in the next one.